Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset Codec Plus. So there are three ways to do it. You can do it from the web GUI, you can do it from the touch panel, or you can do it from the codec. So in order to factory reset it from the codec, locate the factory reset button which is right next to the power socket. Use a pin, press and hold this button down for 10 seconds. Display will power off. Wait for the unit to come up and the factory reset will be successful. Unit is now booted to the default settings. Thank you. Go to settings to factory reset this, then click on device settings. This last option called factory reset and click on factory reset. This is going to factory reset the codec. To factory reset any Cisco endpoint running CE or Room OS, log into the web interface using the credentials. Go to backup and recovery. Go to system recovery. The last option here is reset to factory defaults. When you perform a factory reset, you're going to lose all the logs that were there on the unit. All the user accounts that you created, so all the custom accounts you created will be gone. Any sort of macros or customization you have done will be gone, and the alternate image which is present for you on the unit, which you can use to swap these images, will be gone as well. So click on this option, factory reset, and click on factory reset again. This will factory reset the unit. The other option we have is we can SSH to the codec. So SSH using one of the admin accounts. Type in X command, system unit, factory reset, confirm, yes, and press enter. This is going to factory reset the unit as well. Thank you.